Hey y'all, Kobe here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show y'all how to slay your edges. Okay. But I'm going to be showing y'all how to slay your edges with a comb, okay? Y'all were telling me from the last video that y'all love my voiceover, so why not do another one? Kobe, stop cutting me off like that. Let me finish what I'm gonna say. You keep cutting me off, giving away what I'm gonna say before I can even say it. Okay, you got it. You could have asked nicely. Now this isn't the best my edges have ever looked, so this is going to be like a beginner's edges tutorial, okay? This is for the newbies out there. Remember when I did my 3-strand twist out video? I filmed this edges video the same day and y'all kept saying, oh my god, them edges, them edges, them edges. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and show them how I did it. You know, we just gonna do it. So this is a beginner's edges tutorial with a comb. If you guys want a more advanced edges tutorial, then you know, let me know down in the comments because I can do one. I can show you how to get that Juliana Palencia edges, because y'all know her edges be killing out here. Like, forget slang, they be slaughtering out here, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get into the video. Y'all already know the deal with this. If you want to get it out the way now so you don't forget at the end, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first Kobe Lomax experience, then hello, welcome. How you doing? I'm doing good. You doing good too? Very nice, very nice. You should consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any of my posts, because you don't want to do that, okay? And let's get it. Okay, so I'm starting out with the Yall Organics Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. Now this gel's not going to give you that slaughtered look of edges, but it's going to give you a nice, simple, natural look. So like I said, this is for the beginners, but I'm just going to slap that on my edges. I did previously wet my edges, and so now I'm just sliding the gel on, and you want to do it kind of in a slanted motion. And then you're just going to take your comb and comb that hair down, and then, you know, just take a sharp turn and just pull that jank straight back, you know, and then, you know, just pull more down and just pull it straight back. And really what you want to do is just play with it until you get it to look like how you want. But the key is to like comb the hairs, like actually comb the hair so that they like go through the bristles of the comb, and then just pull the comb straight back to get a nice defined line. Sometimes I use the tail of the comb to like line up the line, but it doesn't really work that well, so I don't recommend you really do this. I mean, you could try it, but for me, it don't really work that well. But I like to just, you know, comb it and then pull it straight back. You saw that slit, like, you know, you gotta, you know, sort of like a taser, I think. Nah, not really like a taser. We ain't tasing out here, but you know what I'm saying. You just comb the hairs and then pull it back, get a nice straight line. Sometimes you can touch up the line, you know, with the comb. Just make it look nice. You know what I'm saying? Just make it look nice. It's not that complicated. And then we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side.
Take me to New York, I love to see LA.
Sliding the gel on, just slide it on there.
Come kick it with you. You'll be my American boy. Tell her walk like who killing a minute you.
And then brush it down and then pull it straight back.
Okay. Reluctantly, cause most of this press don't go with me. Estelle once said, tell me cool down, down. Don't act a fool now. Always act a fool, ow, ow. Ain't nothing.
Then what I like to do is take the comb on the other side just to make sure that it's lined up. So I'll put the comb on the other side of my head, and then I'll just, you know, drag it across. See, like that, just drag it. Now see, in the middle, my part's not looking that good. Not really a part, but my edges ain't looking that sharp in the middle. But like I said, this was a beginner one. I filmed this video months ago, so I've gotten a lot better at it. But once I pull my hair down in front of my head, you ain't even gonna see that little jank. You ain't gonna see the sides, so it don't even matter for real. And then also, I don't show it in the video, but you wanna wipe off like that little bit of extra gel that's like not on the hair. Be careful, because you don't wanna mess up your edges. All that slitting and slicing, you don't wanna mess it up. So, you know, be careful when you do this, but just wipe off that other gel. And I'll be making a video on my Instagram on how to lay your edges without actually laying them. It's gonna be really nice, it's gonna be genius, it's gonna blow y'all's minds. When I get to the middle, I just pull it down. It didn't work that well this time, but you see I covered it up, so you don't even notice. Y'all thought it looked good in the last video, so don't even try to come for me now talk about, oh, your middle part. No, you ain't notice it in the last video when I ain't say nothing, so don't try to say nothing now, okay? Okay? But this is the final result. You know, it's looking very nice, but this is it. This is the tutorial. It's pretty simple, pretty easy peasy, lemon squeezy, don't go crazy, bakalaka wheezy. Hey. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you guys guys did enjoy it. I enjoyed making it. See that little ring in my eye? That's lit, okay? That's lit. I enjoyed making the voiceover. It was nice, short, and simple. It was fun. If you enjoyed your experience here, yes, it is an experience, as my old subscribers know, then go ahead and subscribe for more experiences. Hit the bell so you don't miss any experiences, and I'm out.